This is another acronym, SA, or software assurance, that you need to learn. You must learn it. Without it, you just can't understand Microsoft licensing. Other vendors, they have support fees, maintenance fees, other fees. Microsoft's maintenance fee is called software assurance. But it's much more than that. And misunderstanding it, just thinking, oh, it's just upgrade rights, may be damaging up to millions and millions and millions of dollars, if not more. SA is always a subscription. Even if you have a perpetual license, which is CapEx, SA is always OpEx. You can't capitalize it. It's a maintenance fee. But it's not just maintenance. Software assurance gives you more what you can do with the license. Since when it was introduced back in 2003, software assurance always gave new version rights. During the term new version is released, you can upgrade to it. I have a slide for it. Next slide, by the way. But then since 2012, Microsoft started engaging in an arm twisting exercise. Some of the rights Microsoft was including in the license, in the perpetual license, they said, you know what? From SQL Server 2012, you want SQL Server failover for free. You can't just get it through a license anymore. You have to subscribe to software assurance. We want annuity. We want you constantly paying us. You have to go and buy SA because they can. Can you blame them? Since 2012, it's required for critical rights. What I'd like you to remember is it's new version rights and additional rights that you need in your infrastructure. In the majority of cases, except for Windows Server, you would probably, should probably consider software assurance. Server software in virtual clusters. If it's virtualized and moving around in clusters, you need SA for license mobility. Remote access to Office applications may require software assurance. Free SQL Server instances for failover require software assurance. Unlimited SQL Server virtualization requires software assurance. So new version rights explained. A software assurance term is the time for which you have this subscription. Let's say it's from 2017 to 2020. Let's just say, assume for the purpose of this slide, that you bought a renewed software assurance, purchased new software assurance with a license for 3 years. When you bought it, you bought licenses for Visual Studio 2015. During the term until 2020, Microsoft released 2 versions. Visual Studio 2017, which gave you a right to upgrade to 2017. You don't have to. Nobody pushes you to upgrade. But probably if you develop stuff and you like using new shiny things, you have a right to upgrade to a new version. Then they released 2019. And then in 2020, software assurance expired. But you still have the right to upgrade to any of these versions. When it expires, you're not rolled back to the previous version before you had a say. You are fixed with the one that was in the end.